Good morning, beautiful people. How you all doing? This is the day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. I've woken up since 2 hours ago. I've just been in bed, sitting in bed, doing nothing, actually chatting with my friends. Just been chatting. Somebody said they want to see my face. I said, you can't see this face. I don't like video calls. I only do video calls with my family. I don't do video calls. I'm not always comfortable with that. Just call me and let's talk, and that's it. I slept very late yesterday. I'm not working until Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The last week Sunday I didn't work. What we do is work weekend. You get off this weekend, and the next weekend you go to work, if you get what I mean. So this weekend is off for me, and I just want to concentrate on my YouTube and be able to communicate with my fellow YouTubers, also my subscribers. So I slept really late last night. I had problem with my bank, so I was trying to chat with them late last night. So I slept really late. This morning I woke up really late. I usually wake up in the morning to do my 7 a.m. prayer, but I could not do it today. Found out that I woke up at about 9 a.m. this morning, which is very, very unusual. I used to wake up at 7, but because I'm so tired, I slept late last night. I could not do the prayer, but I'm definitely going to do it. I will do it. My children, they're beginning to hear my voice now. They're waking up bit by bit. They're still on holiday, so they're in bed. Stand up now, freshen up, and then I'll go to my garden. I want to clear that garden. It's all in a mess. And they've come to change my fence. They changed my fence. They gave me a new fence, higher one. So the one that was there before, they've taken it out, because if I go to my garden, you might see that a lot of things has changed. One that knows how my garden used to look like, you will see that it has changed. I'm not going to decorate it this year. It's going to be next year, summer. But I just want to make sure that it's all nice and clean. That's what I'm going to do. So my beautiful painted fence has been removed. They've gotten rid of that. So they put a new fence, higher one, nicer one. I just need to paint it, but I'm not going to do that this year. It has to be next year. I don't have that time this year. I also want to finish Diamond's hair. I've left her hair half done. I will do a little and then I'll rush to work. I'll make sure I'm done with her hair. Clean the whole of the house. What else do I need to do today? I don't even know. That's all I have to do today. Yes, I want to take the children to the cinema. If I can't do it today, I'll do it tomorrow. Already we have loads of things we need to do. We need to reorganize the house. The house is just upside down. I don't like it. So I have to clean the house, get the garden done, finish Diamond's hair, then tomorrow we can go to the cinema. I'll go pick up my car. I'm still very tired, but I have to stand up because I have a lot of things to do today. So I wish to take you guys along. And I want to say thank you for all the support we got in our last video. I wasn't expecting that. I miss you all so much. And I'm so glad to have you back. Alright, so I'll see you guys later.
I'm just talking about the fried chicken.
Mama, what are you mean now? What are you mean to my baby?
Hey guys, hey, how y'all doing?
Anyways, so I haven't had a chance to say hi to you guys. Don't mind the way I actually look right now. I have my bonnet is still on because basically I haven't finished my hair and I need to finish my hair. I've only got a little bit left. It's literally right there. But and also it's super hot and I don't want my hair like everywhere, but like, oh, it's so hot outside, guys. It feels like about 32 degrees, to be honest. It feels like that. But yeah, we're in the garden right now. Everyone, my mom is here right now. She's actually working over there. Period. Is spending her time doing. This is what she's doing. And this is Amanda with no shoes on. What's wrong?
I'm just supposed to die. Oh my god!
You girls are something else. It's 30 minutes ago. No, let me say 3 hours ago. This place was in a mess. A terrible mess. You guys ran away and left me. Look at them. They're not even listening to me. Look at them. You guys left me alone to tidy up this mess. Now I've tidied it up. Now you guys are back with your stupid, dirty trainers. All these, they are going on my YouTube. They are going on my YouTube channel. You guys see the dirty shoes. I look at this one's hair. Half hair. Half hair. The hair is not done. Half hair. Going about with half hair.
Amanda.
And this is Lily.
Hello.
Lily, say hi.
Hi.
And this is Diamond. This is Amanda. These girls are so mean. Honestly. They didn't even bother to help me. I've been working my head out since morning. I'm so tired. I've just been in the garden. But thank God I've done a lot of work in the garden. I've gotten rid of a lot of rubbish. Everywhere is nice and clean. And they are back again. They are back now. But when the garden was messy, I didn't see any one of them. They went away to... She went away to her friend's garden. Now the garden is done and they are back. Look at them running around. They are back. Look at them.
Hey y'all.
Hey you all. Hey you all. They noticed that I must have finished doing the job. They now came in. They went away. They went away since morning. It's okay. I'm almost done. I'm rounding up now. I'm trying to get rid of some rubbish. I'm almost done. This is what it looks like. And this is what my fence looks like at the moment. So, thank God I'm able to make it clean. You know, I wanted it to be very clean. So it's better now than the way it was before. The before was horrible. So dirty. Anyways, so I'll catch you guys later. Let me quickly finish it up before everywhere get dark. Clean everywhere up and I'll be back and I'll see you guys later.
We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we